Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the master module in the Guruch software. As you know, master module is one of the most important aspects in any business solution. It contains all the master data of supplier, customer, item, the final products. You can have salesperson, attendance system, financial year, work orders, currency exchange, transport scheme, etc. Now we are going to discuss each and every menu and I'm going to guide you through it. Now let's just start with the first option, which is the supplier. As you can see, you can easily add your supplier in the master data. So whenever you can purchase, you will automatically get the supplier in the drop down. All you need to do is just write down the supplier's name, fill down the mandatory fields, select the country and state, you can also write down the address as well. In the contact person, you can write down the name of the person name, mobile number and their designation. After filling in all the data, all you have to do is just click on submit and there you go, your supplier has been created. Now you can also manage the format of the supplier page. Let's see, this is a supplier page format. You can manage these fields from the super admin. If I go to the super admin, and we'll see we have the display settings available here. In the display settings, you will see the supplier settings as well. And you can create your own supplier page format according to the company and branches. All you have to do is just check the field which you want in the supplier page and it will be automatically visible there. Now let's move on to the customer. In order to create the customer, we need to click on Add Customer button here and we can write down the customer name, their country, state, city, address and everything. We have so many fields available here. You can also manage this customer format from the super admin. We have customer settings as well. You can manage this format by managing the fields you want to be shown on the customer page. Now you can also add multiple address to the customers. If there's any transportation details, you can add them here, consignee details, the contact person details and the site details as well. We have so many options available here. You can also define your customers by group. You can create a group and define the customers under different groups as well. Now let's move on to the most important part of the master data, which is the item list. As you can see, we already have some items created here. Let's create a new item from scratch. In order to create a new item, we need to select the category from which category this item belongs to. Let's say I'm going to create an item called table. You can define the item code as well, company or brand name, item group if any, HSN code you can type down manually, barcode are automatically generated. Now you can select the unit, which is the measurement unit. Let's say I'm going to select the set, or you can say we can create a new unit as well, but just click in on the add button. Let's say I'm going to create a new unit called pieces. You can also have alternate unit as well. All you have to do is just select the unit, how many units are there in the alternate unit, or you can say how many pieces, and you can define their price as well. Now you can also define the item color and size option as well. You can add them from here. You can also define the minimum stock, opening stock of the product. And you can also write down the description as well. Let's say now here we have the prices. As you can see, this is the text category. We can select the GST. We can also exempt or choose any other option. Now the GST percentage, they have already been created in the super admin. I'm going to select this 18% and define the purchase price of the table. Let's say my table cost me around 2000 rupees. You can also define the discount as well. Now we have two options available here, sale on MRP and sale on price. If you click on the sale on MRP, you can define the MRP price directly. Now this sale price is the tax included, which is the 18% GST is also included. Now system will do the automatic calculation of the sales margin and sales price as well. You can also define the discount on the MRP by the amount or by the percentage. Now this add button, what you can do here is you can add multiple prices for this. Let's say I'm going to define the wholesale price as well. You can define the price and click on submit. Your price has been created. You can create multiple prices for single item. You can also define the minimum sale price as well. And this multi-level discount option, if you just check on it, it will show you multi-level discounts while you can sell it. Now you can also create a group for the items as well. And you can see this allow negative stock button. It will allow the product to sell when there is no stock available. Now if I just click on the save button, there you go. Our item has been created. Similarly, you can add services as well. Let's say some businesses, they rent machines, or you can say they provide any other services. Similarly, they can define their services through category, define the service name, their prices, etc. Now let's move on to the BOM. BOM basically consists the bill of materials. In layman terms, you can say BOM are the components required to create the final product. Now we can select the category as well. And you can also manage all of these formats through the super admin. As you can see, we have BOM settings, service settings, item settings as well. You can manage the formats and what kind of fields you want to be seen on the page. Now here you can add the items, the raw materials which can be consumed. You can also add the byproduct which can be generated, any other expenses as well. Now I can click on the save button. You will see the price will be automatically calculated according to the raw materials. Now if I click on save, you will see our BOM has been created. You can use multiple filter as well, and you can also export the data from here. Now let's see the other master data of the items. As I have already told you, you can define the category here. Now we have options to define the subcategories as well. And you can also define and create subcategories here. You can also define the price name as well. You can create your whole new price as I've shown you in the item. You can create multiple prices for the single item. Now the measurement unit. Measurement unit is very important. It is basically define that how you are going to measure this product, whether it's in the pieces, set, or whatever. You can just create it here and use it in the master data. You can also have the item size, item color, and attributes as well. You can create an attribute and you can define that attribute in the particular group. Now, in order to add that attribute in this group, all we have to do is click on the action button. There you go. Our attribute has been added to this group. Now we have item center option available. You can create your own item centers, or you can say multiple warehouses. This is the main item center, which is by default is created in the system. Now we have item rack option available as well. You can create item rack. This is basically for the inventory management. Now this is the Fat Mava Master. You can create this. This is for the milk industries. Now you can add banks or UPIs or basically payment method. Whenever you are purchasing or selling, you can choose multiple payment methods as well. You can add your bank and bank charges here. Now we can add the salesperson and assign them sales accordingly. Just write down the name and some basic information and you can create your own salesperson. Now, attendance system. This is one of the most important part of the master data. Let me give you an example. Let's say that we are renting out our products and we need to create invoices according to the attendance. All we have to do is just click on the Add Attendance System, select the item, the customer which is it assigned to, site name you can add into the customer, quantity, and just click on Submit. Now you can see our attendance has been created. We have just assigned this product to this customer. Now in order to make the attendance, let me show you how we can do it. Just check this box and select the date on which you want to select the attendance. Let's say I'm going to mark the attendance of 10th of July. Select yes and click Mark Attendance. Our attendance has been added successfully. You can see your attendance from here. Now you can create periodic invoice which will show you in the sales module. Now you can also define the financial year as well. Define the work orders. For example, manufacturing industries, they have lots of work orders which can be sent outside the factory. You can create your own work order here. Select the customer, start date, end date. You can also add the attachment in that. Now we also have the currency exchange option in the master data. You can see you can add your own currency here. And just add the exchange rate manually here. Let's say you need to select the currency which you have been selected in the super admin as well. There you go. Our currency exchange has been created. Now you can also define the transportation details in the master data. You can add the transport name, GST number, mobile number, address, email, etc. And you can submit that. That can be used in the customers and the transportation process. Now this is the add scheme option. This is basically for the e-commerce website. I will explain this menu when I'm going to guide you how you can create your own e-commerce website. So that's it for the master menu. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.